So in this video, I am gonna show you how to fix the brightness not working issue in Windows 10. This is a common problem that many users face, but don't worry, we have got a solution that should help you get your screen brightness back under control. So let's start the video. First, open the Start menu and type Device Manager into the search bar. Select Device Manager from the search results. Once you are in Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Find Intel HD Graphics and right click on it. Now check if your display driver is up to date. If it's not, make sure to update it by clicking Update Driver. Now from here, choose Disable Device. Your screen might flicker and the resolution could temporarily change, but don't worry about these changes. After the window returns to normal, right-click on Intel HD Graphics again and select Enable Device. Once you have done this, you can close the window. Your brightness control should now be functioning properly again. To check if brightness is working, right-click on empty area of your desktop and select Display Settings. You can now adjust the brightness to your preference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.